Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are breaking down the perfect CRM to supercharge your sales and streamline your workflows. Is it gonna be Pipedrive or Zoho CRM? We are breaking down the key features, pricing, ease of use, and integrations of both platforms so you can make the best choice for your team. So let's begin. Pipedrive is a customer relationship management CRM software designed to help businesses manage their sales processes and customer relationships effectively. It is particularly popular among sales teams and small to medium sized businesses because of its intuitive interface and features tailored for managing sales pipeline. If you're wondering to know the pricing of Pipedrive, you might want to click this option wherein you would notice that the essential comes at $14. You get organized and set up simple sales processes very quickly. All right. The advanced plan is at $34. You have all these. The most popular is going to be the professional, which is $49, and the power plan comes at $64. And the enterprise is at $99, and you have all these perks and benefits for you to take advantage. But of course, Pipedrive is generous to give you a 14-day trial. No credit card required. All you have to do is click this button that says try it for free. And all you have to do is you can enter your work or business email, or you can sign up within 2 minutes using your Google account. Once you have successfully created your account here in Pipedrive, you should be able to receive a welcome email from the team and click the Get Started button, and you will be forwarded to the main dashboard, wherein you would notice that one of the key features of Pipedrive is the ability to give you a visual interface allowing users to track deals as they move through various stages in the sales customers. You have the live chat, wherein you can simply activate the lead booster. All right, you will be automatically charged this. You have the chatbot, which is an automation to make your repetitive tasks such as sending follow-up emails or updating deal stages. You also have the web forms, wherein you can create your web forms here, and the prospector. All right. Now, in the projects, if you're working with a certain projects, you can try it for free and get more tools to meet more deadlines here. You also have an option for the campaigns, wherein creating a campaign here is very easy. You can send an email marketing campaigns that get clicks. Click this option that says get started. All right. And you would notice the campaign plans is at standard, wherein you might want to subscribe to an upgrade to confirm and start the trial. In this section, where is the sales inbox, for example, you have already created your campaigns. You would notice that it will centralize all of the contact information and track interactions with leads, prospects, and customers within this email. If you wanted, you can connect your email address and start a new email here. The activities is something that where you can track these and schedule monitors like calls, meetings to ensure follow-ups happens on time. All right, it's a very great tool wherein you can also sync your calendars in less than 2 minutes. You can use your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, Microsoft Exchange, or even Microsoft Office 365. In this section where the contacts, if you have more contacts here, you can add more contacts as you go along the way, which is one of the features here. All right. The insights are the reporting and analytics tools, wherein it provides you the data into sales performance, pipeline metrics, and team activities. Right? The products are part of the integrations, wherein you can connect other tools like email services, marketing platforms, and productivity apps. All right. Now, if we go over to our next contender, which is Zoho CRM. Now, it is a comprehensive customer relationship management or CRM software designed to help businesses of all sizes manage their sales, marketing, and customer support. Now, all you have to do is you might want to click the pricing to match the pricing of a Pipedrive. You see, you have the standard, which is $14. per month. The professional comes at $23. The enterprise is at $40, and the ultimate is going to be around $50. And of course, like Pipedrive, they offer a free trial by just clicking the up button here. Now, all I have to do to get your 15-day free trial is provide your full name, work email, password, and just follow the on-screen instructions. You also have an option to sign in with your Google and of course with your LinkedIn. Once you have successfully created your account here in Zoho, you should be able to receive a welcome email. And from here, all you have to do is click on the Get Started button. You will then be forwarded to the Zoho CRM platform. Click on the Access Zoho CRM. Now, you would easily notice once it's loaded. Now, one of the key features of Zoho CRM is the lead and contact management. All right, it will help any businesses track leads, convert them into contact right here, and maintain detailed records of interactions. You can simply create your contact by clicking this button. You can put in all the information and of course click on save. All right, now you also have the sales pipeline management right here. You have the deals, tasks, meetings, and of course the Zoho calls. All right, wherein if you have like an outbound or inbound call, you would notice that it tracks the activities here, even the call duration and a lot more. In terms of the integration, if you click on the marketplace, you would notice that Zoho CRM integrates well with other Zoho apps like Zoho Books, Zoho Desk, and third-party applications like G Suite right here, Microsoft Office, and MailChimp. So there's a lot that you can work with here in Zoho CRM. Basically, there's a lot. They also have an option for the mobile app, which provides access to CRM data and functionalities on the go with its mobile app. All right, because it encourages team productivity through these setting goals and tracking performance in a fun and engaging way. Now, let me tell you that we have been using both Pipedrive and Zoho for quite some time, and Zoho is best for growing businesses needing a comprehensive CRM solution covering all of these, like sales, marketing, and service with extensive customization options. All right, so you choose Zoho CRM if you need a feature-rich, scalable solutions for your various business functions. All right, on the other hand, you might want to choose Pipedrive if you want an easy-to-use sales-focused CRM because, for one, Pipedrive is ideal for SMBs with a primary focus on sales and pipeline management. It's great for sales-centric teams looking for simplicity. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.